This question is for my coffee lovers. Let's brew up a discussion. Now, what makes an espresso an espresso? What's in it? Because I'm trying to get into the espresso world and I want to know. This is my regular coffee. Now, this is my blue bottle craft instant coffee, the espresso. And I've been trying this for a couple of days now and I'm sold. Whatever magical concoction is in this bottle, it works. And it's easy to make. 1 scoop of this into my favorite glass cup. I add just a little bit of water, not too much now, just enough. It could be hot or cold. And then I take my mixer and I mix up. All right, I go into work until it's nice and foamy. This creates this frosty foam. It smells so freaking good. I don't know what is in here. I think it says it has a note of dark chocolate, something so good. All right, and then once I'm done mixing, I add my milk. I add a little bit of creamer and my favorite spice because I love spices. 1 cup of this makes my day go so fast with ease. The amount of energy, the burst of energy that I get from this cup. And is it me? Does espressos cut your appetite? I don't know. I'm just finding that out. I feel like it's cutting my appetite. I'm not lying. I'm serious, guys. What's in it? What makes an espresso? Especially this bottle here, this blue bottle, craft instant coffee. What's in it? Because it's good.